Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
My name's Ethan Fisher,
I'm Nathan Adams.
and we are both members of the 4-H club in Coshocton County.
Today we are here at the Coshocton City Fire Department to learn about fire extinguishers.
And we're going to go inside and meet Mr. Endsley, the fire prevention officer.
Let's go. Thank you for talking with us, Mr. Endsley. And today our big question is, how do we use a fire extinguisher?
Okay, well, to start that out, probably the first thing to understand is the classes of fires. There is 5 classes of fires. So we have Class A fires, which are ordinary combustibles. Those would be wood, paper, plastic, those type of combustibles, the typical combustibles in your house. Class B fires, which are flammable liquids, which would be oils, gas, that kind of stuff, gasoline. Class C fires are electrical fires. If it's an A, B, or C extinguisher, that extinguisher is good for that purpose. And that is what we call a dry chemical extinguisher. That is the most common that most people have in their houses if they have fire. There's 2 other things we want to make sure that if we're going to use extinguisher, probably my most pet peeve is that we always have a way out. So we always have an escape route. It's good to make sure that everybody else in the building knows that there's a fire. So if there's a fire alarm, we can pull it. So everybody else can leave the building. And even if it's a residential house or something like that, notify everybody, let everybody else leave the building. So the more people we get out of the building, the quicker, the better. Call the fire department for things that if somebody else, you could tell somebody, hey, everybody get out of the building, there's a fire, you got a fire extinguisher, hey, call the fire department. They can, somebody else could be calling the fire department too. Well, first we're going to review how to use it, and then we're actually do a demonstration to how to use it. So there's an acronym we use for using a fire extinguisher is PASS, P-A-S-S, and that is pull the pin, and we're going to aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, and we're going to squeeze the handle and sweep side to side. Okay, so this class of fire is meant to mimic an ABC fire, and these are meant to mimic ABC extinguishers. Now this is all special training equipment that's made for training with fire extinguishers. So, again, one of you to step, whoever wants to be first.
Yeah. Okay.
One of you can kind of just stay back to the side, and I'll go light it, and then I'll let you know when you can go up to it. Okay, so we can go ahead and pull the pin. That's our P. Now we're going to aim the nozzle. So we're going to get our nozzle out, get it ready. So the next 2 part is you're going to squeeze, you're going to get up here about 6 to 8 feet. Yep, we're going to squeeze the handle and sweep side to side at the base of the fire. That's fine, yeah, do what's comfortable. Yeah. You squeeze that. That's good. Squeeze it right at the base of the fire. Good job. Perfect. Yep. So same thing here. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle and sweep side to side. Okay. So that means I don't have to tell you twice, do I? You're all ready. Let's get it. Okay, you got the pin pulled. You got the nozzle aimed at the base of the fire. You're ready to squeeze the handle, so come up here about 6 to 8 feet and aim right at that base of the fire, right into the pan there.